Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of natural wellness with our Castor Oil Organic Cold-Pressed Unrefined Glass Bottle and Castor Oil Pack Kit. This comprehensive kit includes a 16-ounce bottle of 100% pure, hexane-free, cold-pressed organic castor oil, packaged in a glass bottle to maintain its purity. Alongside the oil, you'll find a reusable castor oil pack wrap made from organic cotton flannel, complete with adjustable elastic bands and a leak-proof outer layer, perfect for your waist, neck, and legs. Castor oil is renowned for its numerous health benefits, including promoting liver detox, aiding in digestive movement, supporting the lymphatic system, and even enhancing hair and eyelash growth. This thoughtfully packaged set makes an ideal gift for any holiday season, allowing you to share the gift of wellness with family and friends. Embrace the power of nature with our Castor Oil Pack Kit and experience the benefits of castor oil therapy today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.